भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Ninth verse onwards. What is the page? 163. विज्ञानसारथिर्यस्तु मनः प्रग्रहवान् नरः सोऽध्वनः पारमाप्नोति तद्विष्णोः परमं पदम्। इन्द्रियेभ्यः परायर्थाः अर्थेभ्यश्च परं मनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिः बुद्धिरात्मा महान् परः। Again, इन्द्रियेभ्यः परायर्थाः अर्थेभ्यश्च परं मनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिः बुद्धिरात्मा महान् परः। So from 10th verse onwards, the goal has been indicated. 3rd to 9th was the fitness of the means. Fitness of the means for the journey. And from 10th to 13th almost the goal has been indicated. What is the goal? The self, which is of the nature of knowledge. Now to take us towards that goal, the Upanishad is using a tactics of going step by step. So what is a step? A step is what is grosser, our attention is there. We live at a very gross level. Gross means involved with many properties, thing with many properties. More is the property, more is the grossness. So we have lot of, you have a gross color and a subtle color. So gross color means something which lot of properties in it. Very gaudy colors are there. That's called gross colors. So here there are 5 stations are there, and each one is subsequent one is subtler than the previous one. So first was Indriyani or sense organ. Second was Arthaha or the subtle sense object. Third one was Manha or mind. Fourth one was my Buddhi, let us put it microcosmic Buddhi. Fifth one was Hiranyagarbha or macrocosmic intellect called Mahan. Sixth one was unmanifest or Avyakt. And last one is the self that we will see. So there are 6 stages, one has to go one after another. And the earlier one is more grosser than the next one. So you heard the definition of superior rather. So subtlety, pervasiveness, and third was closeness to the self. That is called the superiority. So pervasiveness and subtlety, I will club it. I will only call it subtlety because what is more subtle is more pervasive. So I will use for superiority two only. One is the closeness to the self and other is pervasiveness. These are shloka, technical, and I hope you will not only understand it but you will enjoy also. I can only hope. It is up to you to make that hope a reality. So what is there? Well, very difficult all these things. I never knew before the course so much difficulties there in. Otherwise I wouldn't have joined. And no difficulties. What is difficulties there? And take some difficult things also. Take some challenging things. How long you will play with toys? So Indriyebhya Parayartha. Morning we had worked hard on this subject. I will again recap the whole thing once more. And we will see it from another dimension also. You know, there is something called gross thing is preceded by a subtle. Like this gross body is there. So gross body in the mother's womb was a very subtle. It was a liquid once upon a time. Yes. The one which is today 84 kg. And to lose one weight is such a big challenge. That was hardly 2 grams. 2 grams? Yes, 2 grams. It was so subtle, so subtle. It was this big like a berry. If you ask the doctor, it is like a berry is there. This big it was there. Really. So almost no weight was there. No weight was there. It was in gram and milligram, which is so heavy now. Yes, it will heavy. So that gross thing is preceded by a subtle thing. Every gross thing is preceded by subtle, and then gross will again go to the subtle. After few years, 50 years, 40 years, some people are waiting for that. So again, that will become only a ash, which is subtle only. It will only become a handful of ash. This much ash is enough, I think. Which the body. That ash, if the person is lucky, it will be taken to Haridwar. If Haridwar is not there, then Amgini river is there. Then, they are immersed there only. Amgini river is there. So that Shivanand Ghat is there. In that it will be immersed. So again it has merged into water again. So it has become again subtle. Right? This table is there. This table was a trunk of a tree. Trunk of a tree. Trunk of a tree is a hard thing. And trunk of a tree was just a small plant once upon a time. And that plant was nothing but the mud only. It was a seed and mud. So that small seed with mud, which was very subtle, along with the water manure, that became a big tree. Then this became a table also. Again, when after a few years, slowly it will decompose and it will become scrap, and again it will become a subtle again. It will go back to the earth only. So everything here is a gross and subtle. Cycle is there. Okay. Very nice. Everything. My God, yes, your God. So If this is the case here, little more, one more step back I will go. One more step back. Subtle thing also, like the water is there. Water which is what you are drinking or rain water is there. That water was cloud, and that cloud was a evaporated water. It was a mist somewhere. This water is grosser, but that cloud is subtler, lesser properties there. It was just evaporated. What is it called? Vapor. It was a vapor. Vapor could not be seen, but water is seen. You can't say, "Hey, देखो evaporation हो रहा है." I'm seeing the evaporation. The water is going ahead. पकड़ लो उस water. You can't hold that water. You cannot say, "ये देखो evaporation हो रहा है." Lot of evaporation is going on. You don't see that. So that is a subtle. Then it became a cloud. Then it became condensed cloud. Then it rained. And if it is in cold water, cold place, it will become ice also. It's more gross. And if ice is kept for millions of years, it can become gem also. It can become rock also. Okay. So these things are there. So don't be surprised of what is going to be said. Nothing new has been said. Everything. This carpet is there. Bluish carpet, where you are sitting. That carpet was a thread. That thread was a cotton. That cotton flower was a simple bud. That bud was simple mud. That mud was only water. So that water and mud that transformed into this carpet also. Everything is like that. Everything is like that. Oh, cha. Now I ask you this question. So if this is the case, the five elements you see around, you see the five elements around. Five elements. One small point for your information. In Vedanta, the earth is not the planet Earth. Earth does not mean the planet Earth. Planet is not the earth. Planet is not the earth. It is a, don't mix the geological word with the Vedantic words. Earth planet is a geological word, and here it's a Vedantic word. Now what is earth then? So Gandhavati Prithvi, that which has the property of smell, is called earth. So in Vedanta, the Jupiter is also earth, and Saturn is also earth, and Mars is also earth. Gandhavati Prithvi. Got my point? Well, the first time I'm hearing such things, I never knew that. So Pluto has also earth. Pluto is the farthest one, very lazy planet. Is not able to, it takes a lot of time to go around the sun because it's far away. Pluto, some are discovering more. Anyway, this water, I hope it won't fall. See this water which is there. If I drop this water, see this water. If I drop this water, this water has only the taste element is water in that. Touch element in that water is of air. Touch element of the water you can touch. Shall I drop more? No, leave it. So the touch element of the water is air. So this has air also. Yes. And the form what you see is of fire. And the sound it makes sometime in the stomach rumbles you will hear. You don't hear. Don't hear. You can put mic if you don't hear. I am saying you have that. Stomach, yes. So that is a special musical stomach has a special musical concert it gives. So, so this water, the sound, this is the each element, space. Very good. This water doesn't have earth element. You mix something, then it will have smell. Ruafza you can mix. Ruafza, or you can mix some camphor. You get this point. Very interesting portion is there. Very interesting. Nothing is more interesting than Vedanta. I tell you, if you have little insight, you will find so interesting. People give big books to read. I said, what is this? All this so wonderful is there. Now, my point is very important. The outer world is having Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh. Everything should have a subtle form. And subtlest form of a thing is in the form of thought. Nothing can proceed unless a thought. It has to be preceded by thought. Like I'm talking, my words have to be preceded by thought. I say flower. So this flower word first came as a thought. Then I said flower. I said go back. Go back, first word came in my mind. Then I pronounced the word go back. Even I am walking. The thought of walk came before walk. The thought of walk came before walk. Supposing I am lifting my pen to write. So the thought of lifting the pen came before lifting the pen. And only if thought comes and you don't do, then you are a lazy person. Then either you are lazy or you don't feel like, or there is no requirement. Let us now get up. So thought, every gross thing is preceded by a thought. So subtlest form of a thing is thought. I hope you are clear in this small point. Is it clear? Not clear. Like this mic is there. The one who made this mic, this was made by ordinary people, but the one person who had made it in a thought level, he was a different person. He was not a mic maker who had made it at a thought level. The cars are designed, if you are a mechanical engineer, the companies, big cars, new cars, so they are designed first at the thought level with their intellect. So they will just sketch and they will think this is engine, this is the seat there, this is the belt there. So we are going to make a car which automatically belt will just automatically sit and the belt will come like that automatically. So we are going to think about that. Now how to do that? So everything is made. This is one rule. Please don't forget. While explaining Hiranyagarbha, I had explained about this rule. This hall was made at a thought level first. If this is the rule, then Panch Mahabhut also should be made at a thought level first. Woke me up. Panch Mahabhut should be made at a thought level first, sir. And therefore, Panch Mahabhut or the five elements, they are in your mind also. The grossified Panch Mahabhut came later on. The grossified Panch Mahabhut came, supposing I say lotus. So in your mind you can visualize lotus very easily. I say smell of rose. So you can visualize the smell of rose. You can visualize the smell of rose. I say taste of kheer. Every day you get kheer prasad, no? So I say taste of kheer. So you can visualize. Right? I say taste of kheer. I say what? Flame of fire, heat of fire. You can visualize that. In the mind, you can just think of that. So that Ishwar who was there, when he thought about that, After thinking, he made it concrete and then it became the object. So therefore I has used the word in the morning, subtle sense object. And actually speaking, unless anything what you observe, unless you bring it at your mind level, you cannot conceive it. So unless this flower comes as the shape of flower in your mind, you cannot conceive it. Like my words are there. Unless the words come at a thought level, you cannot get my words. Therefore, if you don't listen, your mind is somewhere, you are not able to believe, oh, sorry, I missed it. You say, I missed it. What did you say? Although you heard something, but mind did not catch it. And therefore you use the word, I got it. I got it what you are saying. I got it. What you got it? I got it what you are saying. So anything is at the thought level, it can be concretized. Anything which is at thought level, it can be concretized. And anything which is concrete, it can be thoughtified. Anything which is at thought level can be concretized. Anything which is a concrete can be thoughtified. It can go back to a thought level also. I hope you got it. So I am seeing you. So there is a concrete person or concrete thing in front of me. But if I have to visualize it, I have to again take back to a thought level. This thought level perception of the sense object is called subtle sense object, which is mentioned by the word here as arthaha. Okay. I understood it very well. This much you understand. There is more about it, but take time to understand. Don't stress on this matter. Okay, understood that. Interesting thing I'll tell you. Interesting. The gross sense object is superior or the sense organ is superior? What did you say? I am saying gross sense object to superior or sense organ is superior? सोच लो भाई, again I'm repeating it. Gross sense object is superior, or I'm saying gross is this outside, or sense organ is superior? Sense organ is superior. Good. That means you are now understanding it very well. Gross sense object is not superior. Why? For its existence, it needs the eyes to be proved. And eyes for its existence needs the subtle sense or object, and therefore superior than the sense organ is the subtle sense object, but superior than the gross sense object is the sense organ. Superiority means that is closer to the self and that is more pervasive also. Okay, so this is the, here arthaha means the not the gross sense object, here the subtle sense object is meaning of the arthaha. Okay. Inner world is very interesting, I tell you. Just keep on thinking about it. Well, I hope I will not have headache today. No. So indriyebhyah parayarthaha. So superior means which is closer to the self, and superior means which is more pervasive or subtle. Both are synonymous. Okay. Now I will go ahead. Can I go ahead? Please go ahead. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? Subtle. That means in my mind also sense objects are there. Yes, in a subtle form. in a subtle form. देखो ध्यान देना, these things you have to understood. There is no choice that you cannot understand. You have to understand that. But I don't have to by heart it. No, you by heart or not, but you have to keep in heart. If you don't by heart, only what I have to keep in heart. Wait, I am saying if two things are mingling, there has to be a common point. Morning also I told this point. Otherwise, mingling is not possible. Well, I can't get along with that. Why? He talks about film. I'm not interested in film. We have no common point. Sometimes husband wife are there. They don't have common point to talk about. Husband is talking about budget. Budget. What is the budget going? Gold price is going up. Wife is interested in bangles. There is no common points. Therefore, they don't talk. Two people who are not talking, not mingling, there is nothing common about that. Something should be there. There should be liking. Something should be mingling factor should be there. Okay. Supposing two people are there and both are interested in cricket, what to say now? Bug karte rahenge. That shot was very nice. It was the hook was very what century? Rohit Sharma, what this Virat Kohli. I think he's going to beat all the records of Sachin. I think he's still 30. I think he'll cross all records. They'll keep on. Supposing somebody is totally uninterested in cricket, you'll just watch. कुछ इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं आ रहा. बोले who is Virat Sharma? This is not Virat Sharma, this is Virat Kohli. Who is Virat Kohli? Virat Kohli is a captain of Indian team. अच्छा, Indian team. Where is Indian team? What is going on? What is exciting? World Cup is going on. Where is the World Cup going on? World Cup going on in England. England hosts World Cup? No. World Cup is going first time. I think you keep quiet now. World Cup goes every 4 or 5 years. Last time also England 2 times. World Cup does not happen at one place. I think you keep quiet better. Only captain is there. Virat Kohli is all-rounder or batsman? Again you ask a foolish question. He is mainly a batsman. What is all-rounder? Who is all-round from all sides? No. So all-rounder means one who can do bowling, batting, fielding all. Where is Sachin gone? Sachin retired long back. If such questions somebody is asking, he should be beaten first and taken out. Two people are not mingling with each other. Similarly, if two people like film, then they will mingle a lot. Then they will mingle. Piku film was not good. The Amitabh Bachchan's that film was very good. Auro, Auro not? Auro. Small became. पा देखो कितना तबीयत ठीक है इनकी. She has recovered now. So Pa film था. Pa. बोले that Pa film was very good. बोले nowadays that actor is not there. I don't know how Sridevi died. This Boni Kapoor also, I don't think so he knew about it. That was the second marriage of Boni Kapoor, by the way. So these people, who know something, they can mingle a lot. Now understand what I am coming from. Why I am saying that. These eyes and form is mingling with each other. Form and eyes are mingling, nose and form are not mingling. You can't say from the nose, it is yellow. They are not mingling with each other. You cannot say, wow, it is round. You cannot say. Tongue cannot say that, it is round. You cannot say. It is its own area. They are not mingling with each other. Get my point? You can't say touch. What क्या हो गया? अंधे बाबा क्या हो गया? बोले भाई, I think it is red. You cannot do like that. Got my point? This sense organ and respective sense object only are mingling. That means form must be in the eyes also. That means quality of form must be in the eyes also. And if you are listening these words, that means quality of words should be in ear also, because this ear is only listening, not the eyes. You cannot put dal in the ear and say salt is too much. You cannot do like that, because it has no relation with, both are not related. You may have to go to the doctor. Only this has relation, tongue has a relation. Bole, give me little, some of the ladies when they cook, so they immediately take some and taste. First they hear and then nobody's there. Then they salt. Okay. Actually, if you have to taste, tip of the tongue is better. Here the chili is very strong here. The tip. And the back is not there. If you want to eat chili, if you take at the back, then it is not hot, because this chili buds are not here. Not there. It is here at the. If you touch the chili here, tip, you will have a lot of sensation, because that taste bud is here. अब देखो इसका relation है. This sense, they have relation with it. Therefore, what do you want to say? I want to say form is here also, sound is here also, taste is here. That means outer there is a relation, कुछ तो रिश्तेदारी है. Therefore, they are becoming one with it. Okay. But receiver is always subtler than received. Receiver is subtler than received, because this is the cause which gives identity to the salt. Tongue gives the identity. Well, it is salty. How did you know? Through the tongue. So that which proves something is subtler and the cause than whatever is proved. And therefore, more than the subtler and superior than the outer sense object is the sense organ. But this power of sense organ is getting from the subtle sense object which is behind the sense organ. Morning I had described that. Subtle sense object. Actually, subtle sense objects, empowered subtle sense object with the power of illumination is called sense organ. Muli again say slowly, please say in slow motions. One is subtle sense object, which is in the mind, that it is energized with the power of knowing, seeing, smelling. That is called sense organ. Therefore, sense organ cannot be there without subtle sense object. But subtle sense object can be there without sense organ. A person can be deaf, but still he can mentally hear something. A person can be blind. Blind person also sees dream. And in his dream, don't think it is a blind dream. It is a color dream, it may be there. Now, this is called Indriyebhya Parayartha.